In this video, I'm going to show you how to save a .tax file from TurboTax online. So the first thing you want to do is sign in to your TurboTax account, and then from here you want to go to Tax Home. And once you are on Tax Home, you want to go to either one of these, so we can go to Personal Info, Income, etc. So you just want to click on one and either pick up where you left off, press Start, or Continue. So this doesn't really matter, just pick one of these, the blue button, so you can get to this screen over here where it gives you more options on the left. From here, to save a .tax file, you want to scroll down until you see Tax Tools. Click on that, and from here click on Tools. And from here, under Other Helpful Links, it will say Save your 2024 return to your computer. What you want to do is click on that, and as you can see, your tax return.txt file will be saved to your computer. That's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.